Yes.
Okay, we're gonna look at some new backpacks today.
Yeah.
See if we like them.
Okay, Sandra, do you remember what kind of backpack you wanted? No, you don't remember?
Awesome.
Ursula. Sarah, do you remember what kind of backpack you wanted? Okay, here's Sanders. No screaming, please.
It's a perfect awesome.
So it says, what does it say? Banished and exiled. And it says Disney villains on it. Ursula.
Let's open it up and check it out from the inside. Let's open this up and see what the spicing is. What is it?
Silica gel. Do not eat.
Don't eat it. I'll take it.
What is it for?
It just keeps moisture from being in the bag during travel.
But I need that done.
No,
Oh,
you
we're not going to
don't.
travel anymore. It's going to stay here.
Uh huh.
Banana.
Put the piggy thing you got on the mall on there. Okay, let's do Sarah's.
Okay, here you go.
Why can I put the baby thing on?
Right there, on one of the zippers or up top. Or...
Hey, look where we driving.
Alright, let's see.
Yeah, let's take it out.
Okay, Descendants 3. So, can you tell me who everyone is?
Carlos, Jay, Matt, What I don't know these three over. These are Hades.
I don't know. Okay, so it looks like you don't have a front pocket there, but let's look at the inside.
That's a bigger backpack, so you can fit more things on the inside at the same time.
I think it'll be fine.
I love it. Well, we have some expensive stuff.
What is the wire?
Wow, that's weird.
Why is the wire?
Get a USB connector with the auxiliary port.
Nothing's down here. Nothing down there. I think you're touching my card.
You know what? Why don't we show them your old backpacks? So these are the backpacks that we used last year. Oh, you got your piggy on there already. All right. So there's the piggy Xander got at the mall.
How about you take a picture of them for the cover?
That's in Among Us. And Xander's old backpack was a Batman. Sarah's was this very pretty unicorn backpack
Let's open the pockets.
with a light on it.